I first of all welcome you all guys on my skills edutech channel में आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है and I hope you guys all are doing great and चलो without wasting a time let's start the session and one important instruction guys आप लोग नोटबुक पेन लेकर के बैठे और इस सेशन को बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से समझने की कोशिश करेंगे और उसको नोट डाउन करते रहें और स्क्रीनशॉट लेते रहें और अगर आपके पास नोटबुक पेन नहीं है तो स्क्रीनशॉट लेते रहें एंड वन मोर थिंग गाइज इसके पार्ट वन ये दिए पार्ट दिस सेशन विल बी पार्ट टू एंड आई हैव डन ऑलरेडी अ पार्ट वन तो आप लोग गाइज अगर नहीं देखे हैं तो पार्ट वन को इसी चैनल में पार्ट वन का जो मैं बेसिक्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग पार्ट वन का डाला हुआ है तो आप लोग गाइस जाएं और उस वीडियो को देखें और फिर पार्ट टू में आए तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आएगा गाइस। चलो लेट्स गो अहेड। तो जस्ट अ सेकेंड गाइस। चलो तो पार्ट वन में वी हैव कवर ऑलरेडी गाइस अंडरस्टैंड किया था अकाउंटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट एंड टाइप्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग्स जैसे कि मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग्स को डिटेल में समझने की कोशिश किया था समझा था और फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग एंड हाउ इट हेल्प इन डिसीजन मेकिंग। नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग कॉस्ट पेंडिंग रह गया तो आज के सेशन में वी हैव कवर इन डिटेल। तो आज का सेशन का मोटिव है गाइस अंडरस्टैंड द कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग इन डिटेल्स। कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग को डिटेल में समझेंगे और नो द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग एंड रोल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग की समझेंगे और अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अकाउंटिंग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सेंटर को डिटेल में समझने की कोशिश करेंगे। चलो लेट्स गो अहेड। सबसे पहले वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग। चलो तो कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग इज अ सिस्टम ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग एनालाइजिंग all cost related to producing goods and services. It help our business find out which thing we have found out, how much each product or service cost. Second thing, where money is being spent, how to control and reduce unnecessary cost. In short, cost accounting, calculation plus control and reduction of cost is called the cost accounting. It focuses on the internal efficiency of the company by providing detailed cost data used for decision making and strategy planning. इसको अगर एग्जांपल से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट रिकॉर्ड द कॉस्ट ऑफ मेकिंग वन यूनिट ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट। ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द वन यूनिट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट produced, that is called the cost accounting. And let's go ahead. Main elements of cost accounting is the material, and second thing is the labor cost, and third thing is the overhead cost. Material cost in the sense money spent on raw materials. Raw material means money spent used in productions is known as material cost. Labor cost, which we are talking about, labor cost, wages and salaries of employees directly involved in manufacturing, that is called the labor cost. Overhead cost, if we are talking about the overhead cost, it all indirect cost like rent, electricity and administrative expense is called overhead cost. This is the actually elements of cost accounting. चलो let's go ahead. फंक्शन ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। कैलकुलेट द पर यूनिट कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट and identify wastage in material and prices and suggest way to reduce it. Identify, first he calculate the per unit cost of product. Identify the wastage in materials or process and suggest way to reduce it. Help in determining product profitability. That is the thing. Control ordering, use of raw material to avoid stocking waste. That is the thing. Assist in cost control is talking about the assist in cost control and the cost reduction by analyzing expenses and improving efficiency. That is the thing. These all are functions of accounting, cost accounting, guys. तो let's go ahead. Objective of cost accounting को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Cost accounting means that calculating and controlling cost of production. Cost accounting is calculating, controlling cost of production is known as cost accounting. If we see the main objective, determine the cost per unit, reduce and control cost, identify wastage and save money, help in price setting, improve productions efficiency. इसको एग्जांपल के समझने की कोशिश करते हैं गाइस. फाइंडिंग कॉस्ट पर यूनिट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट 180 rupees per unit. That is unit of a product. This is actually a price of unit of a product. Unit of a product. That is the thing. चलो let's go ahead. Importance of cost accounting को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Cost accounting importance is determine the cost per unit production. Cost of producing one pen is 12 rupees. Is talking about the unit of product. Is the importance, and next importance is helps control and reduce unnecessary cost. Assist in pricing decision accurately. Producing cost 100 rupees, price at 150. Improve efficiency and productivity. Labor ideal time report reduced delayed. That is the thing. Help in preparing production budget. Factory creates monthly material budget. That is the thing, guys. Let's go ahead. Key difference between the cost and cost accounting and management accounting. If we see first our meanings of cost accounting records, analyzes cost of production is known as cost accounting. If we talking about the management accounting, uses financial and non-financial information to help managers make decision. That is the thing. If we see a objective of cost accounting to determine and control the cost and products. That is the thing. If we see management accounting to assist management in planning and decision making. अगर हम स्कोप की बात कर रहे हैं, narrow and focuses only on cost. Broad, if we're talking about the management accounting scope, his scope is broad, included cost, performance and strategy. Information type में अगर if we see cost accounting is a quantitative, is talking about the numeric. That is the thing. If we see information type about the management cost accounting is the both quantitative and qualitative. That is the thing. Let's go ahead. If we see as per the users, Cost accounting used by the manager, shareholder, and auditor. If we see user about the management accounting used only by internal management. Time focus, if we see as per the time focus, past and present data is talking about the cost accounting. In the cost accounting, past and present data we have considered. In if we see as per the time focus on management accounting, present and future data, if we talking, we have considered. As per the scope, narrow and focuses only on cost. Broad included cost, performance, strategy. If we're talking about the as per planning, short term focus. In management accounting, short term and long term focus both. Dependency, as per the dependency, cost accounting can exist independently. No dependent anyone here. As per the dependency, management accounting depends on the cost and financial accounting datas. That is the thing. Let's go ahead, guys. Management accounting and managerial decision. अगर मीनिंग समझें, मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ कलेक्टिंग, एनालाइजिंग एंड प्रेजेंटिंग financial and non-financial information to help manager make better informed decision. It focuses on internal decision making, unlike financial accounting which focuses on preparing report for external users like a shareholder, tax authority, and regulator. Management accountants help management. That is the thing. Management accounting help to manage a plan and control business operation and analyze past performance, make fact and best decision for the future of a business. That is the thing, guys. Chalo, let's go ahead. Chalo, responsibility of management accounting. If we see, the first responsibility is planning support, help prepare budget, forecast, future financial plans. If we see the example, help create next year's sales and expense budget. If we're talking about the decision making support, provide data to help manager choose the best business options. If we see the example, provide cost analysis to decide, make and buy decision. That is the thing. Cost control, monitor expenses and compare them with budget, find variances. Report that electricity cost extended budget by 20,000. That is the thing. If we see a performance evaluation, it is the one of the type of responsibility of management accounting. Evaluate performance of department, employees and processes. That is the thing. If we see a example, check if sales team achieve monthly target. That is the thing. If we're talking internal reporting, prepare internal report, cost report, budget report, MIS. If we see the example, send weekly MIS report to management for review. That is the thing. If we see, the coordination is the one main important responsibility of management accounting. Ensure all department work in align using common financial goal. All departments, talking about the all department work in align using financial data. That is the thing. If we see the example, sales and productions and finance team follow the monthly budget and prepare management accountant. That is the thing. These all are the responsibility of management accounting. First is planning support, second is decision making support, third is cost control, fourth is performance evaluation, and internal reporting and coordination. That is the thing. Let's go ahead. Accounting plan and responsibility centers. Accounting plan is a marketing and management strategy used by sales, marketing, and account professionals to better understand and manage their existing client or accounts. It helps in building a strong long-term and valuable relationship with client by studying their needs, goals, and challenges and planning accordingly. That is the thing. In simple word, account planning means creating a proper plan to manage customer, improve their satisfaction, loyalty, and business values. Chalo, this all are the accounting plan. We see the benefits of accounting plan: increase customer loyalties, increase customer loyalties, such as focus on building mutual trust, partnership with clients, understand and fulfill clients' need, leading to long-term relationship, reduce acquisition cost. Instead of spending money to get new customer, business focus on existing ones, save time, effort, and marketing costs, focuses efforts, identify which clients have the higher growth and revenue potential. It helps in prioritizing time, resources effectively. Faster sales, if we see the benefits, since the company already knows the customer, deals close faster. Increase sales efficiency and revenue. Continue learning. Providing continuous understanding, client needs, marketing, improve skills like analysis, communication, and decision making. These all are the benefits of accounting planning. First one is accounting customer, increase customer loyalties, reduce acquisition cost, focuses efforts, faster sales, continued learning. These all are benefits. Chalo, let's go ahead. Steps in accounting planning. Research your current accounts. Study client data such as sales, revenue, profit, location, and goals. Ask key questions like what are the business priorities? What do you expect from our partnership? What clients are you facing? If you should identify needs, analyze their challenges and problems, match your product or services to help service them. Focus on providing maximum values and satisfactions. Manage your accounts. Keep proper records of communication and contract sales progress. Assign an account to maintain relationship track activities. That is the thing. Create a relationship map. Identify key peoples in the client organization. Know who makes decision, who control the budget, and who inefficient others. help in effective communication, understand the client structure. That is the thing. If we talking about the responsibility center, चलो responsibility center को समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Responsibility center is a system in which the organization is divided into small parts called the responsibility center. Let's see, understand. This is a system. If we create in this system as a subsystem, this subsystem is called the responsibility center. I hope you guys understand well. Each center has a manager responsible for its performance. The main ideas is every manager should be responsible for he controls. एग्जाम्पल से समझने की कोशिश करता है. कंपनी डिवाइडेड डिपार्टमेंट एज अ प्रोडक्शन, सेल्स एंड फाइनेंस. प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर कंट्रोल कॉस्ट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. Cost of manufacturing, who control? Production manager. Sales manager control the sales. Finance manager control this capital and investments. That is the thing. Let's go ahead. Objective of responsibility center is assign responsibility clearly, measure and evaluate performance, ensure effective control and accountability, support management in decentralization. These all are is objective of responsibility center. Types of responsibility center. First type is cost control, revenue center, cost center and revenue center, profit center and investment center. अगर cost center की बात करें, is talking about manage controls only cost, not revenue. Is talking about only cost. Manage control only cost. Let's see the example. HR department, maintenance, HR department, maintenance department, and they spend but don't earn revenue. That is the thing. If we're talking about the revenue center, manager is responsible for generating revenue only. Revenue center is generating the revenue only. That is the thing. Sales department, if you see the example, sales department or revenue does not control production cost. Profit center is a manager control both revenue and cost, generating profit. Profit center is talking about the generating profit, both revenue and cost. If we see the example, branch manager of a retail store responsible for sales plus expenses. चलो investment center you have see a manager control profit plus assets plus investment decision. Manager in the investment center, manager control profit plus asset plus investment decision. If we see the example, CEO business head decided new factories, purchases, expansions. These all are the types of responsibility center. Let's go ahead. Determinants factor to create responsibility center. Determinants, if we see the nature of business. Nature of business, just like manufacturing, retail, it may be a retail, it may be a service. If you see the organization size, it could be large form and need more centers. level of control based on how much authority managers wave. Managers' role depends on skills decision they make. Information system requires proper accounting, reporting system. That is the thing. Let's go ahead. Meanings of responsibility accounting. Responsibility accounting is a system where organization divided it into a small subsystem is called responsibility center, and each manager is held accountant for what they control. Like this, a cost accountant is a control the cost. Revenues cost center is a control the only cost. Revenue center and control the revenues. Profit center control the profits. Investment center control the revenue and ROI. That is the thing. Simple meaning, manager are responsible for the part of business they control, they perform and measure accordingly. It helps identify who is responsible for what, how well they are performing. That is the thing. Let's go ahead. Significances and importance of responsibility accounting. As number one is clear accountability. Clear accountability. Number two is a better performance evaluation. Third thing is a cost control, improve decision making, motivate manager, help in budgeting, and identify strong and weak areas. Clear accountability means every manager know exactly what they are responsible for. Better performance evaluation means each department's perform can measure separately. If you see, the cost control helps reduce unnecessary expenses by fixing the responsibilities. That is the thing. If we see the improved decision making, manager get clearly reports better decision for their departments. Motivate manager, responsibility increases, ownership and motivates. Help in budgeting and planning. Each easy to prepare separate budgets and each departments. Identify strong weak areas. If you see, help find which department perform well and which department perform poorly and create a difference them. And let's go ahead. These all are the responsibility and significances, importance of accounting. Let's go ahead. Summary of this unit. If we see management accounting. Management accounting provides data for planning, decision making. Financial is talking about the past and future. And cost account about the production's cost. Management accounting is talk about the decision. That is the thing. Role of management accounting is guide management using datas. Responsibility accounting dividing organization into responsible areas. Responsibility centers cost, revenue, profit centers and investment centers. Purpose, if you see the purpose, accountability, control and efficiency. Let's go ahead. Exam quick revision point. If you see, we have discussed management accounting, total for internal decision making, internal system to help manager plan, control, make decision is called the management accounting. Financial accounting for use for the outsider, shareholder and government, such as external reporting for investor and governments, etc. Cost accounting, if you see, calculate and control production cost, calculate cost of product and services. Three branches connect like this: finance, cost and management accountings. Responsibility accounting, accountability system center. If we see the responsibility center, cost center is only talking about the cost. Profit center is only about the cost, and profit center is talking about the cost plus revenue both, and investment center is talking about the return on investment. If we see the focus, future planning, control, strategy making. If you see the advantage, improve performance and efficiency. If you see the limitation, depends on the human judgment, not an exact science. That is the thing. Let's end the session, and thank you for watching till the end. ये पार्ट 2 था, ये पार्ट 2 एंड हुआ. तो नेक्स्ट सेशन में वी हैव सी द नेक्स्ट यूनिट. और आप लोग गाइज चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि हम जब भी वीडियो डालें तो आप लोगों के पास पहुंचे इजीली, और वॉच करें और बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करें. चलो, थैंक यू वेरी मच बीइंग टिल द एंड. जब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.